Hi, Jason Aylett here, and in this video we are going to take a look at Google Classroom and some of the new features that you can use while grading assignments. So I'm in my sample Google Classroom, just landed in the stream because that's where it drops you by default. I am going to go over and click on this Classwork tab. Now in this Classwork tab I can see all of the different assignments that I've given to this class. I've got them organized by topic, separated there into the different subject areas. But the assignment that I want to grade right now is this Let's Make Tens. So I'm going to click on that. And then I am going to come down here and click View Assignment. Now when I click View Assignment, it'll take me to a list of all the students that I've assigned this to. In this sample Google Classroom, I actually only have one student. I can set different point values. For the ease of this video, I'll just set it to 100, but you can choose anything you want. You want to give 3 points, you can give 3 points. Want to do 10, you can do 10. Anything you want, you can set the point value there. You can also have it be an ungraded assignment, but for this I'm just going to leave it 100. If I want to go ahead and grade the assignment that's being turned in, I'm going to go ahead and click on that assignment. And it's taking just a sec to load here, but when it does, I can see that I have more options than I used to do. If you've used Classroom in the past and haven't used this feature, when you'd open it up, it would just take you to the assignment and you'd have to look at it and kind of toggle back. But now you can do a whole bunch of stuff right here. So I'm looking at the assignment and I notice some things are taking a while to load here, but overall it says complete these equations, write your answer in the box to the right. Okay, let's check the student's answer. So we're making tens. We've got 2 plus something equals 10, and the students put in 8, and 3 plus something, 7. Hey, I see a pattern, 6, 5, and 4. So it looks like this student made 10 successfully all the way down on this assignment. How super. So over here, I can go ahead and assign the grade since the student got all of the answers correct. Maybe I'll just give 100 points. If I scroll down a little further, I can write any private comment. So the student will see this comment when they go and look back in classroom to see how they did. So, I might just say, way to go. Any comment you want. Specific feedback might be really helpful, especially if the student had missed some questions. I also would really encourage you to follow up and actually talk to them too, but it doesn't hurt to write specific feedback comments to them, and then I click post. That means they're going to see it, and I can see the post there. When I'm totally satisfied with everything that I've done here, and if I want to, I can actually write in this document. It's live for me too, and then the student will see that. But I'm just going to be satisfied. I can return this submission. I can return many different submissions, but for the sake of this, I'm just going to click return, which means it's going to go back to the student, and they will be able to check and see how well they've done. And I'm going to click return. It's just double checking, making sure that I really want to do this, and I do. If I had more students in this class, I could scroll through here and just go on and continue grading the assignments, but only one student in this sample classroom. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the tab up here in the top left to get back to Classroom, because what I want to show you now that's pretty slick is now when you use the Gradebook, if I click this Grades tab, fourth one over on the top, I can see the grade in my gradebook. So here's the Let's Make Tens assignment, and I can see that this student scored 100 out of 100. I'll see that I have not graded the presidential quiz assignment yet, but I can see right here the grades, and if I want to get back to the assignment from here, I can click on that Let's Make Tens, and then here I am. So the navigation is pretty user-friendly, pretty slick, and this should really streamline the grading process for you. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.